Have you heard great things about the Grove Resort in Orlando? Wanted to really know what the rooms are like but not actually found a great video? Well, I'm here to help. I'm Disney David and here's my review of a 2-bedroom suite at the Grove Resort in Orlando. And stay till the end and see how you can get in contact with me and I'll book you and your family the best Disney holiday. Enjoy! Welcome to 2714, a 2-bedroom apartment here at the Grove Resort in Orlando. So once you come into here, and you'll use this little magic key, there it is. So that is your Grove equivalent of a magic band. That will get you into your room and you can come straight into your lounge. Now one of the things you're going to find is there are millions of light switches, not actually worked out what they all do yet. But there are loads. So straight in anyway. Kitchen, lovely sized kitchen. So you have a full fridge freezer, and this one you've got ice as well, which is nice. You see some dirty food there. Where you've got the aircon unit, we've got a massive tumble dryer and washing machine. So full laundry facilities, ironing board, etc. A big stove, they call them here. 4 hot plates and a microwave. Don't think it's a combi. In the cupboards you've got proper cutlery, so you're not like DVC restricted to all plastics. And then pans, and then cutlery, decent sized knife block, lots of Cuisinart utensils. You get 3 coffee pods, a dishwasher, washing machine, and washing up liquid and a sponge. Haven't found a tea towel yet. And then you've got 6 bottles of water. And there's your toaster and a nice dishwasher. So really spacious living space here. So you've got a table there with long bench and 3 chairs, so you can probably 6-8 people there. And in the lounge area here, we've got that, which is probably a sofa bed, storage table, and then a big storage unit, and a decent sized TV as well, with live TV and various information on the resort. Outside, we've got a view that's overlooking the lake, and I'll take you out there in a minute. So this is the 2nd bedroom, really nice sized room again, and you'll notice there we go from tiles to carpet. Big storage unit there. There's the 2nd TV. Sun's out now, or ish. There's the view from the lovely balcony. Got 2 nightstands, both of which have got both power and USB. Bedside tables. Nice sized bed. Not as big as the other one. I'll show you that in a second. Big storage area. Lots and lots of coat hangers and places to hang things. And then over here in the bathroom, single sink, but that's okay because I'm going to show you what's next door. Storage, towels, and then in here, toilet, tub, shower. Through on this side, you'll find a really big room. So here, bigger bed, bigger bedside tables, no balcony on this one, but lovely view out there. Again, same storage, nice chair down there, and then into the bathroom, and this is a full-on bathroom. So 2 sinks, plenty of cupboard storage space, actual tub, or a bath as we call it, and a shower, and then more storage. We got here last night, so we've already unpacked. And then in there, a toilet as well. So this is a 2-bed. There are 2 different places you can get these. We're in the main resort, so this is a 2-bed resort. You can also get 3 beds as well. I have to say, really, really impressed. It's a really nice unit. You've got everything you need in here. All good, all good.